No experience. No coding. No idea where to start. And still, you can get into cybersecurity. A lot of people are interested in cybersecurity, but almost everyone runs into the same problem at the beginning. Confusion. Where do you start? Do you need to know how to code? Do you need a powerful laptop? Is it even possible without a tech background? These questions stop people before they even begin. But here's the truth. Cybersecurity is not one single skill. It's a field. And like any field, there are multiple entry points. You don't need to know everything. You just need to start somewhere. Let's break this down in a simple way. The first step is understanding what cybersecurity actually is. At its core, cybersecurity is about protecting systems, data, and people from digital threats. That includes things like preventing unauthorized access, detecting suspicious activity, responding to attacks. It's not just hacking. In fact, most roles are defensive. Now, here's something important. You don't need to start with coding. That's one of the biggest misconceptions. Yes, coding can help later, but at the beginning, what matters more is understanding how systems work. Things like how the internet works, how devices connect, basic networking concepts. Because you can't protect what you don't understand.
Next, choose a path. Cybersecurity has different areas. Some people focus on network security, ethical hacking, security analysis, risk and compliance. You don't need to decide perfectly on day one, but having a general direction helps you avoid jumping everywhere. Now let's talk about resources. A lot of beginners think they need expensive tools or courses. You don't. There are free platforms where you can start learning immediately. The key is not having everything. It's using what you have consistently. Even a basic laptop or smartphone can get you started with theory, videos, and beginner exercises. What matters is consistency. Small progress daily. Now here's something most people underestimate. Practice. Cybersecurity is not just about watching videos. You need to apply what you learn. Simple things like understanding how attacks work, recognizing phishing attempts, exploring basic security tools. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start interacting with the concepts.
Now let's address something real. A lot of people quit early. Not because it's too hard, but because they feel lost. They try to learn everything at once. They compare themselves to people who are already experienced, and they lose confidence. But progress in cybersecurity is not about speed. It's about direction. As long as you're moving forward, even slowly, you're improving. Now here's the key shift. Instead of asking, can I do this? Start asking, what's my next step? Because cybersecurity is not something you master in one moment. It's something you build over time. If you want a clear step-by-step path, especially as a complete beginner, check the link in my bio. Because the hardest part is not learning cybersecurity, it's starting.